All right. Do we need a light? Yeah, I can do without light. Got enough light over here. So good morning, everybody. So today's the first day we're going to start actually doing, instead of just cutting the grass all the time, I'm going to start pruning and cutting and getting that fence line out back there. Because you can't even see our backyard. It's that overgrown. It's probably like 10 years overgrown. A lot of overgrown. So I got a really, when I mean really, I mean a really cool tool. It's the pruning shears. It's a mini chainsaw. It's wicked. I love this thing. I saw a YouTuber using this, and I don't know how many times I've needed to do, just be able to grab something and just get it off without going to get a big chainsaw or getting a lopper or getting those hedge things. And I saw this, and I'm like, that's it. I don't care. I'm buying it. It's beautiful. It's Stihl. This is my first Stihl product I've ever gotten. Built well. Really nice. Really nice Stihl. Great job. Give me a call. I'll have to try your stuff out. Okay. Anyways, let's see here. Okay, so the only way you prune this thing here, let me show you. This thing here, all you do is you can go on the outside like that and go here. And you want to go on the top of it like that to actually. So today we're going to do the whole fence line. And this thing here is essential for that. So it's perfect. All right. Now I'll bring you guys with me. Turn you guys around. Okay, now don't mind my messy garage. This is not generally how I have a garage. It's usually neat, but we have so much stuff. Here it is. There we go. And you turn around, put some on that side, and we're good to go. Open that up, and we do that. What if I can do this with one hand? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Nope, I'm missing everything. Now I'm going to wipe some of that oil off because you actually, which is really, really cool, you actually have a little thing here for your leg. So when you need it, you just grab it and it works well. So let's just make sure it doesn't hit me with the oil I'm talking about. There it is. Okay. Flies around here are brutal. I hate flies, and they are literally, oh my God. That's how they were up north, back when we were up north. Way back when. You don't get flies up in, maybe the odd one here and there, but overall, you don't really get a lot of flies up in Florida. What is this? That is for my washing thing. Yeah. No, I'm not even going to go there. I can hear my wife right now. Gregory, shut up. Yeah, but come on. Really? Come on. All right, so I'm just going to wipe the oil down on this part here so it doesn't drip onto my pants. Through that thing. It's pretty thick oil, so it's good. The only thing I don't like about Stihl is I love the color scheme. But once you start using it, the white is not white as much anymore. It gets, it looks great new. But we'll see. The way I take care of things with my OCD, now I can have that on and take it off every time, but that's going to be a pain in the butt. So I'm going to keep it off. You ready? Yes. Let's try this sucker out. First initial sacrificing cut. Oh, hang on. And okay, I did it wrong. Holy cow. This is so handy. This is awesome. This can take a hand off. Oh my. Wow, this is cool, baby. I don't like the fact that ambidextrous like me, so it's perfect. Oh, whoop, this is nice. Oh, I'm liking this. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Bruno, back up, sweetheart, okay? Bruno, back up. Oh my God, it's actually through the thing. Holy shit. Okay. Okay, Bruno boy, back up, okay? Back up, go, 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 go. Thank you. It's actually it's grown through the wood. Through the wood. Okay, down here, let's see if we can. Okay, bottom part's off. So, bottom part is off, but this thing here is right in there. Okay, no, I gotta. Okay, Bruno, no. Back up, buddy. Thank you. Oh my God, this thing's awesome. All right, Greenworks, you need to come up with something like this. That's exactly like this. This is amazing. Stihl's got you here. Make sure I don't. All right. Okay, so put the string trim over here. Okay. I think that's all we need for now. All right, so I'll see you guys over there. So, as you can see behind me right here, this is the first stage of doing the house. That is the fence line. There's a fence under there. You can't even see your house, hardly. So, it's a couple years overgrown, decades, and we're gonna have some fun with it. And we're gonna do the first stage is right here. Second stage is gonna be the following side, and then the last stage is gonna be the stage that we actually do over there, the back part of it. And hopefully this shouldn't take too long. I got a new tool, which I'm really, really, really excited about. I tried it this morning. I got this thing. This thing here, I'm telling you, is cool. I mean, every time I'm on the tractor mowing and I hit a limb, I do this, I have to get out the big thing, cut it down. This thing here, you snap it out, done. I saw a guy on YouTube, I'm sorry, but I forget his name on YouTube there, but he had it. And when I saw it, I'm like, oh my God, I have to get it. Let me just take you guys around to show you everything that we need to do here. Let me just clap you down. All right, so this is what we gotta do. Hang on, ready? Turn you around. So here is the first stage that we're doing. I'm gonna get rid of all that today. And there's my crazy shepherd with her stupid stick. Right? I can't throw this, honey, because you hurt your back. Yeah, that's all I can do now. Okay, so all in here, we've got about, let's say 10 feet before we get into the actual fence. This part here should take no time, but the rest of it, honestly, I don't know how long that would take. let's stop this puppy. Let's get this going. Beautiful day today. Beautiful day. It's a breeze. It's not cold. It's perfect. It's been in the 90s for the past, I don't know how long, 97, 98. It's been quite hot. Now, this is perfect. All right, here we go. Let's try this. Go. Greenworks, let's do this stuff. Hi, Bruno. Huh. Okay, okay, I'm done. One down. Oh, that's very good. Okay, I've been here for a long time. I'll get the camera. All vines. Everything is vines. All right. This thing here is the best thing ever. Okay, here we go. We're going to the inside, but here's a good boy. Thorns. Look at that. There's a tub here. Yeah, walking tub. Here's something here. Oh, stop this light. Okay. Okay, thorn bush. Right through my things. Yep. A little boo-boo. Not a big deal. That hurt. Let's get the hedger in there. Yeah, that would be much easier. Yeah. Okay, I gotta show you guys this. This is crazy. Check this out. Look how thick this is. Look at how thick this is. You still can't even see the, look at that. That's nuts. That is thick, thick, thick. I don't think that chain in there has seen the light of day in about 2 or 3 decades. It's crazy how thick that is. All right, let's keep on motoring. Yeah. Oh man, nuts. More thorns right there. Ah, didn't get this enough first. Hi, Bruno. You see me now, baby. More thorns. More thorns. Back up, back up, oh, oh, thank you. More thorns. Ah. Yeah, kill these guys. This thing. Oh, get me. The trick is with this thing, is that, oh my God. Well, I'll tell you one thing. The battery does not last long. I'm going to be screwed without this thing. I'm going to have to charge it up again. So we got this much done already. 10 times more light already hitting the house, which is a good thing. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. Okay, so it's going pretty quick. Faster than I thought it was, but it's a lot worse than I thought it was. Here comes Mama. Hi, honey.
Hi, baby.
You can talk. You're on mic.
I know, that's why I'm talking softly.
Say something.
I am saying something.
She's talking very softly. Like I can't hear her, but the microphone does pick up. Am I right?
Yep.
Oh, you brought 2 rakes out.
Yeah.
Oh,
Isn't
thank
hers?
you.
Isn't hers?
Can I have the one you got in your hand right there?
You want the yellow one?
I like the yellow one.
Ready,
Okay.
catch? Ready.
Catch.
Woo!
I'm good. I'm just that good. Okay.
But
This is all thorns. So all this stuff inside, these little like all the stuff that's like in here.
I was doing the stuff that I'm trying to rake.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing.
It doesn't matter what we do. Do it. Go for it.
Okay.
I'm going to start over here now again. I'm going to start raking over here.
Don't rake. I got the raking. You do the pole saw thingy.
Okay, well, I need to rake to make some room so I can actually make room to stand. I have no room anymore to stand.
Gotcha.
Oh,
What are you
Oh
doing?
my God, I just did the worst thing in the world to do, and I'm glad the camera wasn't on me. I stepped here and hit myself in the face.
God.
Off camera, I walked to this, hit that, and smacked me in the
You
face.
probably got it with this camera right there.
What?
You probably got it with this camera right there.
Round 2. So, as you can see, we've done quite a bit. I gotta get that corner done right now. Yeah, just had some hot dogs, a nice big pint of beer, and but it's coming along because you couldn't see that fence before. It was really, really bad. I mean, it's still bad now. You can see all the twines and twigs and all that stuff in there, but it is 1,000 times better. Now I'm gonna tackle that front corner right there, which I'm not exactly too impressed by because that sucker's gonna be eggs. Very well. Come on, Kira. Come on. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna tackle this now. Get this taken care of. Clean up all this mess afterwards tonight, and I'm just gonna get in here and just keep going. Yeah. Here we go. Let's rock and roll. Oh my God, what's up here? Oh, mess. There's a mess of stuff. Look at that. Can you see that? So Jess, a beautiful wife of mine, she is inside right now because her wrist is killing her. She did something to it. I'm not sure what she did, but she'll be okay. We just have to rest it a little bit. What's that? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. There's one more here. Chop, chop. Oh, that's okay. Yep. You something's over here. Well, figure it out easy. Got full batteries. Needs oil. Thousand times better. Like butter. So that there, what the problem with this thing was it needed oil because there's no reservoir. There's no reservoir where the oil is, so you got to keep boiling it. This crap, stuff. So bad. So, keep on going. Ah. My gosh, this is bad. Easy to tighten right there. Tighten it up. Good to go. So easy. That's great. That's it, baby. So, okay. Some more. Almost. Suck that tube there. Oh. Or the bar. Damn it. Oh, my God. You know, wow. Get here. More. Okay. Hi. Go there. Over there. Oh, it's hard. Still fun though. Keep telling yourself that, Greg. So it's getting late, getting tired. Been doing this for about 10 hours now. Well, minus my little break. But you stay there, baby girl, baby boy. You stay there. Okay, so it's getting down there. You can see it really good from this angle. So, compared to what we started from this morning, that's huge. Look at that. So, we did quite a big dent. Looks good. Looks really good. I'm happy with this. I can see our yard. I can see our yard. But I'm gonna go in there and get some stuff in there. Oh, hang on. Okay. All right, let's get there. Me. All right. Oh, okay. I'll be fine. All right. Okay. Is it? Oh, you fuck. All right. Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm done for today. That's it. I'm finished. I'm gonna get all this stuff. I'm done for today. All right, let's get my stuff together. Funny thing is, I never changed the battery on this thing at all. And the battery's at. Let's see what the battery's at. Let's see what the battery's at. It's at 43. That's not bad. Let's put this sucker away. Just gonna oil it for tomorrow. All right. Keep this thing oiled. Working good. Dripping wet. There we go. All right. Okay, let's put this away. Whoo! String trimmers over here. Ah. Okay, you can actually see. Where's Mama? Oh, there she is. I'm done, sweetheart. I'm done for today. 100,
Is that a chainsaw?
Yeah, that's a chainsaw. That's a mini chainsaw right here.
They have two chainsaws.
Yeah. Thank you, sweetie. What do you think?
Took 4 of the
What's that?
waters out of the...
What do you think? Big difference. That corner's gonna take a while. And I'm on last battery again, last mark again, so. Yeah, well, at least we know we... Oh, look, there's a fence door right here. And this one over here, I actually can't even open. It's that stuck. Sit down in the office and start putting this video together now for you guys. Right there, right where she's running. That's our drain field. And she is gone. You know what I mean? So that's it for today. Mama, say hi, say bye. And day 1, done. Oh, hang on, let me turn him around. Oh, look at, here he goes, he's running, and I'm gonna chase him. I can't chase you right now. Go ahead and go. I know. All right, guys, so that's day 1 of our first stage of getting this done. And we did pretty good for the first day, right? Our first thing we actually do in the house, that besides cut the grass, that's another thing. We got so much cutting to do. And I didn't even go through one battery with the, okay, hang on. What is this thing called again?
Hold on, the
Telescopic hedge trimmer. We did all this, and that thing was working all the time, and we're only down to 43%. That's it. That's not bad. So that thing tells me that thing works out well. Unlike my Stihl, this thing here, which, have I told you I love this thing? The batteries, I've charged this battery up 3 times today. So you need to get more batteries if you want to use that thing on a daily basis every day. And but that was my main tool today. I used it, I loved it. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Say bye, Mama. flies. Holy sh! I've got a fly bugging around me right now, and it's driving me insane. Yeah! Bugs. Or horsefly, I don't know what the hell it is, but it's bugs. God, there it is again. Oh, all right.